Debit on the left, credit on the right. And somehow, the numbers still don't make sense. Sound familiar? Let's fix that right now. The ledger is where every transaction in your business lives permanently. Miss this, and your trial balance will never agree. Get it right, and month-end becomes straightforward. Let's walk through it together. Think of the ledger as a filing cabinet, one drawer per account. Every time a transaction happens, you post it into the right drawer. Picture a small shop. They buy a laptop for KWD 150 cash. 2 drawers get updated, equipment goes up by 150, cash goes down by 150. That's posting. One transaction, 2 accounts, always. That principle, 2 sides, always, is the heartbeat of the whole ledger. Here's what that posting actually looks like inside the equipment account. Notice, the debit sits on the left, the date is recorded, and the journal reference is noted. That reference is how you trace back to the original entry later. Be careful never to skip it. Each account in the ledger is a running story of what happened to that item. Now, how do you balance a ledger account? Here's the thing most textbooks skip: you add up both sides separately first. Say the cash account has 3 debits totaling KWD 900 and 2 credits totaling KWD 400. The difference, KWD 500, is your closing balance. It sits on the credit side as the balance carried down. Then it reopens on the debit side as the balance brought down. Got that? Good, because this balance is what flows into your trial balance. Here is the cash account fully balanced. Both columns total KWD 900, they agree. That's the check. If your 2 columns don't show the same total after you insert the balance, you have an arithmetic error somewhere. Find it before it travels to the trial balance. One wrong number here ripples through everything. Here's where most beginners trip up, knowing which side increases which type of account. Assets and expenses increase on the debit side. Liabilities, equity, and income increase on the credit side. Think of it this way: when the business gains something real, like cash or equipment, it goes left. When the business owes something or earns income for owners, it goes right. Say it with me: assets and expenses left, liabilities and income right. Once that lives in your head, every posting decision becomes automatic. Here's the quick reference map. Stick this somewhere you can see it while you practice. After a week of using it consciously, you won't need it anymore, it'll be automatic. This trips up everyone at first. Totally normal. But the ones who drill it early? They're the ones whose trial balances agree on the first attempt. Let's land it. Every transaction posts to 2 accounts, 2 sides, always. Balance each account by totaling both columns and finding the difference. And remember which side increases which account type. 3 ideas. 1 ledger that actually works. Try balancing 1 account by hand tonight, just 1. You'll feel the whole thing click. You now know more about the ledger than most people who've been doing this for years. Trust that. Apply it tomorrow. And next, we'll go from the ledger straight into the trial balance, so stick around.